Alright, playing time muna si Sophie. Playing time in the outdoor playground. Wala na namang kapaguran yan. Takbo doon, takbo dito. Ayan. Wala, sige. Andito kami sa Shenley Park. Ayan. Laro lang daw muna for few minutes bago kami umuwi. Kasi galing na kami dyan sa indoor. Naglaro na siya dyan ng 2 beses. Ngayon, sabi ko, uwi na tayo. Tapos, sabi naman niya, maglaro daw muna siya dito sa sa outdoor. Kahit few minutes daw. Sophie! Dito naman pang maliliit. Be careful. It's not wet?
Yes.
It's not wet? Oh, Sophie is wet. Look at your pants. It's wet. Where did you see it? Ay, nako. Basa. Wala talagang pakialam ito. Ayan, basa na yung puwit niya. Yung pants niya. Tapos sasabihin niya, hindi basa. Talaga to. Oh, ayan. Sophie, where are you? Minamalat ako, guys. Inuubo kasi ako. Sophie, I think we have to go because see, it's going to be rain. Oh, look at that, the tree. So many fruits.
Yeah.
Daming bunga.
Mommy, look, I'm sitting down.
Huh? Where did you sit?
Here.
Alright, come on, let's go. Because it's going to be rain soon. Ayan, parang uulan na, guys. Tara na, come on, let's go. Hala, sige. Ay. Oh, dito daw muna, Oh, be careful. Okay, that's enough. Oh. Okay.
See, I crossed all
Yay,
of it.
very good. Okay, how about in there?
Huh?
That cute one.
What?
Anyway, maybe it's wet, right? You cannot slide. Alright, come on, let's go.
Oh, cutie.
Yeah,